Optimize your resume with AI. A step-by-step guide. Modern job applications are increasingly filtered by automated systems. A generic resume is unlikely to make it past these initial screens. To stand out, you need a resume tailored to each role. Artificial intelligence, AI, can accelerate this process, helping you synthesize information and structure your experience effectively. This guide shows how to leverage AI tools like ChatGPT to build a competitive resume without sacrificing authenticity. Why AI for resume writing? The job market is tight. Competition is fierce, and recruiters often scan resumes for mere seconds. An AI tool can help you cut through the noise by optimizing for keywords, structuring your experience logically, and ensuring your resume highlights the most relevant skills. AI excels at summarizing and organizing information, but it requires careful input and oversight. Choosing the right AI tool. ChatGPT is a leading option, available in a free version or a $20 month subscription for priority access and advanced features. Alternatives include Anthropic's Claude, Perplexity, Google's Gemini, Microsoft Copilot, and DeepSeek, all offering free or freemium tiers. The core principle is the same: provide clear prompts and review the output critically. Building your resume with AI. Effective AI use starts with preparation. The more context you provide, the better the results. Research templates. Examine examples of resumes in your target field. Note common sections, keywords, and formatting styles. Gather your data. Compile your work history, education, skills, and accomplishments. Prompting ChatGPT. Begin with a broad request like, "Can you write me a resume?" ChatGPT will ask for specifics. Refining the AI draft. AI-generated resumes often need adjustments. The initial output may misplace sections, like education before experience, or lack nuance. Iterate with specific requests. Protecting your privacy. Avoid entering sensitive information, address, phone number, directly into the AI tool. Add these details manually to minimize data breach risks. Addressing common AI issues. Insufficient detail. AI may not fully articulate freelance or contract work. Provide specifics. Overly long lists. AI-generated skill lists can be excessive. Request a more concise format. Final tweaks and human oversight. AI is a tool, not a replacement for judgment. ChatGPT may suggest improvements like quantifying achievements or tailoring to specific jobs, but evaluate these suggestions critically. Your professional summary is your narrative. Don't sacrifice personality for brevity. Adjust formatting, add personal touches, and ensure accuracy. Can employers detect AI-generated resumes? AI detection tools exist, but the primary risk isn't detection, it's inaccuracy. Always verify that the AI hasn't fabricated skills or experience. Use AI as a thought partner, not an outsourcing solution. In conclusion, AI can significantly streamline resume creation, but human oversight is crucial. By providing clear prompts, refining the output, and protecting your privacy, you can leverage these tools to increase your chances in a competitive job market.